Walk into any used car lot right now and you'll see the same thing. RAV4s priced at $20,000, CR-Vs marked up like they're made of gold, Camrys that should cost $12,000 going for $17,000. And then, tucked in the back corner, there are 3 cars nobody's looking at. Cars sitting there for months. Same exact reliability, sometimes better features, but half the price. Why? Because people buy what they know, not what's smart. According to reliability data from RepairPal, Consumer Reports, and J.D. Power, there are 3 sedans that'll run 200,000 miles without breaking your bank account. But they're being ignored because of badge snobbery and marketing myths. Today, I'm counting down 3 reliable cars you can buy for under $15,000 that will outlast vehicles twice their price. Number 1 shares the same engine as a $35,000 Lexus but costs half as much. Let's get started. At number 3, we have the Mazda 6, and half of you are probably thinking Mazda isn't known for reliability. The 2014 to 2018 Mazda 6 is different. RepairPal gives it a 4 out of 5 reliability rating and ranks it 6th out of 24 mid-size cars. The average annual repair cost is $481. Which is cheaper than a Camry at $526. Here's what makes it different. It uses a regular 6-speed automatic transmission, no CVT. That matters because CVTs have a habit of failing between 80,000 and 120,000 miles, and replacements cost $3,000 or more. The Mazda 6-speed is a traditional torque converter automatic that just works. The Skyactiv 2.5-litre 4-cylinder engine uses a timing chain designed to last the life of the engine. No $1,200 timing belt service at 100,000 miles like some Honda V6s require. Fuel economy is solid at 26 city and 31 highway on the 2014 to 2016 models. The 2017 and 2018 got better with 26 city and 35 highway. That's better than most crossovers people are overpaying for. Current prices show a 2016 Mazda 6 Touring with 70,000 miles runs about $12,000 to $14,000. A 2016 Camry SE with the same miles costs $16,000 to $18,000. That's a $4,000 difference for cars with nearly identical reliability. What Cars 2023 Reliability Survey scored the Mazda 6 at 93.3% overall. When problems happened, the most common issues were bodywork scratches and brake wear, not engines or transmissions. 58% of repairs were done in a day or less. When test driving, check the touchscreen for glitches on early 2014 and 2015 models. Inspect the paint for chips and test for motor mount shudder around 50 miles per hour. These are minor issues worth negotiating. Who should buy this car? If you want something that's actually fun to drive but still practical, the Mazda 6 has better handling than anything else in this price range. If you're keeping a car past 150,000 miles and want low maintenance costs, this is your car. If you're tired of overpaying for the Toyota badge when the Mazda is just as reliable, this is your escape. Who should skip it? If you need maximum back seat space, the Camry has more legroom. If you want the latest safety tech on a budget, you'll need a 2018 or newer. And if you're buying for resale value in 3 years, stick with Toyota because the market hasn't figured out how good the Mazda is yet. Coming in at number 2 is a car most people under 50 won't test drive, and that's exactly why it's cheap. The 2014 to 2017 Buick Regal with the 2.0-litre turbo engine. This is important. Avoid the 2011 to 2013 Regals. Those had timing chain failures. The 2014 and newer models with the LTG turbocharged 4-cylinder are completely different. This engine was used in the Cadillac ATS and Chevy Camaro, and it won Ward's 10 Best Engines award. RepairPal gives the Regal a 4 out of 5 for reliability and ranks it 13th out of 34 mid-size sedans. Annual repair costs average around $540. Here's what nobody tells you. From 2014 to 2017, it was built on GM's Epsilon platform, co-developed with Opel in Germany. It's basically a European car with an American badge. You get German-tuned suspension and precise steering, but you're paying Chevy Malibu prices. The transmission is a 6-speed automatic from Aisin, the Japanese company that supplies Toyota. Average used price for a 2015 Regal Turbo with under 70,000 miles is $10,000 to $12,000. A 2015 BMW 328i with the same miles costs $16,000 to $19,000. The Regal's Turbo can be replaced in about 3 hours for roughly $1,200. The BMW's costs $3,200 in labor alone. Real owners report the 2014 and newer Regals hitting 80,000 to 100,000 miles with just oil changes. The key is using Dexos-approved oil every 5,000 miles. Turbocharged engines are sensitive to oil quality. Check if the PCV valve has been updated to the revised 2014 version. Inspect the turbo inlet pipe for cracks and test the power seat adjusters since early 2014 S had a recall. This car requires premium fuel and 5,000-mile oil changes with good synthetic. If you can't commit to that, buy something else. At number 1, we have the Toyota Avalon from 2016 to 2018. Yes, it's known as an old person's car. That's exactly why it's cheap. The Avalon shares its platform, 3.5-litre V6 and 6-speed automatic with the Lexus ES350. Same parts, same engine, same transmission. The 2GRFE V6 is one of Toyota's most reliable 6-cylinder engines. No direct injection carbon buildup, no timing belt replacements. It just runs. A 2016 Avalon XLE with 75,000 miles runs $15,000 to $17,000. A 2016 Lexus ES350 with the same miles costs $22,000 to $25,000. That's an $8,000 difference for mechanically identical cars. Compare it to the Camry, and you'll see a 2016 Camry XLE V6 with 75,000 miles sells for $16,000 to $18,000. You're paying the same for a smaller car with less space. Consumer Reports rates the 2016 to 2018 Avalon as more reliable than other cars from the same model year. Real owners report these hitting 200,000 miles with just scheduled maintenance. Most common repair is brake pads at $250 for all 4 wheels. Water pumps can fail after 150,000 miles for about $650. Check the VIN for dashboard recalls on 2013 to 2014 models. Look at tire wear for alignment issues and test the N-Tune touchscreen thoroughly. Find one owned by someone over 60 if possible. They garage them and maintain them perfectly. The Avalon was designed for highway cruising and back seat space is huge. It's 195 inches long, so parking can be tight in crowded lots. Who should buy this? Highway commuters who need comfort, anyone who wants Lexus reliability without the Lexus price, anyone with passengers who need space. Who should avoid it? If you want sporty handling, this isn't it. If you live somewhere with tight parking, this is a big car. 3 cars the market forgot, but the data didn't. The Mazda 6 that handles like a sports sedan, but costs like a Corolla. The Buick Regal with German engineering and American pricing. And the Avalon, the best-kept secret in reliable full-size sedans. You now know 3 cars you can buy for under $15,000 that will outlast vehicles twice their price. Next time you're on a dealer lot and the salesman tries to push you toward an overpriced CR-V or a lease return BMW with a service history that reads like a horror novel, you'll know better. Which one would you actually buy? Are you Team Mazda for the fun factor, Team Buick for the sleeper performance, or Team Avalon for the bulletproof reliability? Let me know in the comments, and if this saved you from overpaying for a used car, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.